Good morning! Good morning! He's getting so excited. He's just having some black and white time until Mummy gets ready because we are going work today. Yes! Anyway guys, I'm going to work today, so let's get ready. Oh my god, I think I look a bit tanned. Maybe, maybe not. Have a look at my nails. Yesterday we were doing pampering at Rutkan's house. We did our nails and I plaited her hair. And so that's why my nails look very cutie pie. It's like pastel pink. But anyway guys, I've just come out of my lesson and earlier on I dropped Derin and my mum to the market. So now I'm going to pick up Derin. I'm nearly there. And then I'm going to meet my bestie who is very upset with me because I haven't been calling her. So I'm going to go and meet her. We're either going to stay at her house, have a drink or something, or go out. I did tell her we can go out because it's quite warm outside and I am hungry because I haven't had anything apart from porridge in the morning. So it'll be nice if we do go out, but I'm going to call her in a bit. She said to me to call her after I get Derin. And Derin strangely has been sleeping since I've dropped them to the market. So that's like 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. That's 3.5 hours. That's the first time he's ever went for that long, like since he was born. 3.5 hours, that's quite long. So obviously the milk that I gave my mum is going to go to the bin right now because he didn't wake up to have it. It's so sad, like that's like probably the 5th or the 6th milk that's just gone to waste, and I don't know what to do about these extra milks that I have.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi Derin!
Sana. Yanık kalktı benim başım.
Really? Yeah. Apparently he just got up, so I have 10 minutes to come out of this car park because I don't want to pay. So I'm going to quickly get him into the car. Hey Derin! Derin? No? What are you doing? Guys, he hasn't been eating since 9:30 and it's nearly 2:30, so I'm going to probably stop somewhere to feed him because I don't think he'll be able to go for another 30-40 minutes without eating. So I'm just trying to find a car, like possible car park, so that I can actually feed him. Derin, hello. Hello. Look, I think he is hungry. He's smiling. What's all this bit? Hello. Oh, he's still yawning. Is that your morning yawn? Hello. Are you hungry? Okay. Mummy's going to feed you. Mummy's going to look for a place and then Mummy's going to feed you. Alright? Oh, I miss your hands. We're home! Familia. Derin is wearing one of my favourite bodysuits. It says, elephants can wear skinny jeans.
Are you wearing skinny jeans? Oops.
Don't take him, you just ate.
Are you wearing skinny jeans? Hey, look at my face.
At his bald patch. Hello. Hello.
Open the visor so you can see myself.
Hello.
Baba, there he is. Hello.
Oh, I love that look that he gives you.
I know. He's so bad. He's so shy of me.
I know, and he's so innocent. Look at him.
Daddy, we're gonna be friends. You don't need to be shy.
He's so shy next to his dad.
We're gonna be like friends.
And he has a very different tone of voice when he tries to speak to his dad.
Daddy. Hey, Daddy, look at Daddy.
Went to my friend's house today.
Again.
Went to Naren's house today.
Aye.
And she's very upset with you.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you never go and see them.
If you don't go and see them, how could I go and see them? Like, you sort yourself out first before you try to sort me out. That's like me telling you that you never go and see my friends. They're my friends that you can only come with me to see them.
Alright, let's go there now.
Nah, that's not. Mommy,
Oh my gosh, he just made me look so wrong.
I just flipped it on you so badly, innit? You and me are gonna bully mommy.
No.
We're gonna bully mommy.
No.
When you grow up.
No.
And then if you have a sister, we're gonna bully her as well.
No.
We're gonna bully the sister as
No.
well.
No.
Yes.
My baby's gonna be such a cute brother. Oh my. Oh.
Hey, I thought you vomited in my mouth. I think you are.
Oh my god, the way that just come out. Wait, that's my favourite thing. Don't mess that up.
Yes, Bubbush. Yes, Bubby, Bubby. Bubby, Bubby, Bubby. Bubby, Bubby.
Guys, look at this. This is like a 6 ounce of milk that's going to go to waste because Mr. Derin YILDIZ chose not to have his bottle in the morning while I was at work. So now this bottle is going to go to waste. Like literally I've been carrying it all day with me because I was so sad to dash it in the bin. But now I'm just going to go dash it in the bin. Anyway, let's have something to eat. Guys, look what I got Derin. I got it for his bubble bath. So when he's having a bath, I'm going to put this on the side so he can have fun with the bubbles. It's for his brain development, cognitive development, because first it's solid and then it pops and then their brain goes, oh my god, where did that ball go? And then it goes pop again and then there's another ball and then it goes pop again. It's good for you. Mummy always buys you nice toys, hasn't she? Alright babe, come on, let's go eat. Looking at Mummy or are you talking to Daddy?
He was just bathed after that situation with that toy.
His brain's still trying to function.
Oh! Yeah.
And Derin fell asleep on the way, so we just let him sleep. It's 8 o'clock. I didn't even bring an extra bottle to it. Babies are up! Derin the baby, and look at this mess, guys. We've been reading the books because babies were up, and obviously Haidar had his bath routine and he was having his milk, but Özge's daddy came from work, so he wanted to see Haidar, and obviously because my one was up, we just thought that they can stay up until 9 o'clock because it's only 8:38, so they can stay up till 9 and then we'll bring them back up. Let's go down. My joints are hurting. I don't know whether it's from extra weight.
Hi guys, it's if I get her camera at mine, so I need to end up the vlog, so see you tomorrow at the party. Good night, bye.
She doesn't have her own milk. She wants the pastry. Look at her. She's crying for it. Watch, guys. Look.